Good day, listeners at home. This is the second phase of this edition. Now I'll be talking about physical business that you can do. We've talked about the online business at the part one, and this is the part two now. We are talking about physical business that you can engage, that you can do, that will start making money for you in this 2023. The first one is local business consulting. You can start a local business consulting. Second one is phone case business. You can start a phone case, maybe the phone case everybody's using. Do you know how many billions of Android phones outside now? You can start a phone case business and it will boom. Wedding photographer, you can start a wedding photographer. You go and to those people that are doing photographer, learn it maybe 2 or 3 months at most. So you start doing wedding photographer. Driver for Uber, you can start a driver for Uber. If you have your own car, you can go to Uber and register your own car and you start making cool money. You can also rent your car to turo. There's a website calling turo. You can rent your car for them so that they will use it and give you money at the end of the month or at the end of the week. That is very cool business, even though that one doesn't stress you any longer. You can start a popcorn shop. A popcorn, you can start it at home and package it and sell it to the street. Popcorn, everybody eat at least afternoon. Everybody wants to eat one thing or the other. Mouth must move. Someone must to eat, so you can start a popcorn machine. And the seventh one is baking. You can start baking anything that you know that you can bake. Small cake, small shops, all these what are they calling it? All these small shops. You can start baking it. You can start the business and you'll be making money for you in this 2023. Or even though you have a cash with you, you can still invest your money. You can go to it, you can find a broker, online broker, bank broker, and you invest your money into it. At least we have better example of those people that have invested their money and they are making huge return. You can invest your money. And the number 9 is buying and selling. You can do that. Everybody, that's what the Igbo people do in part of this what we call Nigeria. The Igbo, they invented to buy and sell it. Go to some location, buy some goods, bring it to your own location and sell it and resell it again. It's very simple. Even though you can sell it online also. So it's very simple to buy and selling. That's number 9. And the number 10, which is the last video I'll be sharing with you now, is graphic design. You can start a graphic design business and it will make you cool money. And I believe as you go through this list and you try to engage, it is very helpful for you, in this 2023.